Today I'm going to show you how to clean the trap on a Ferroli Blue Helix High Tech. First, if we move this out of the way, we can double check if this pipe's actually blocked. All we need to do is go, if you can blow clear in it, then we know that pipe's clear then. If it is blocked, you need to find out why it's getting blocked and cure that problem. Then if you just get like just a normal bag, a sandwich bag of dough, put it over, start undoing this nut underneath, crack the seal, and let all the water go into the bag. Just let it drop in there. Take it out, give it a clean, and then you can put it back on. This is something you need to do every year when you service the actual boiler. Just needs to be done just over hand tight, and you fit the pipe back onto the condense, and that's how you do the condense on a Ferroli Blue Helix High Tech.